These are the Hamster Kombat daily combos for today. The first one is CEO, the next is NFT collection launch, and the last one is leaderboards. The first one is under PR and team. Scroll down to leaderboards. But to get this one unlocked, you will need to get KYC up to level 15. So go to Lego. This is KYC. This is on level 14. So I will need to buy you one more time to get it to level 15. Now it is on level 15. Go back to PR and team and get this one right here. Okay, and after this, come back to PR and team and go to CEO, get this one, and finally go to the special section, this one right here, and look for NFT collection launch, which is this one right here, and get it, and then take delivery of your 5 million. Let's go.